Today I'm just going to do a tutorial on pastel drawing. For this I will need the following materials and equipment. Most important is your paper. I absolutely love Pastelmat. You get these in booklets or singles, as well as a variety of beautiful colors. It is almost like sandpaper. I will leave links in the descriptions where you can buy these in South Africa. If you can't find it or you're looking for a more cheaper solution, the alternative is to use a paper maybe like Canson with a lot of texture, as a pastel needs a bit of grit to stick to. Secondly is your soft pastels. These you can get in quite a variety of brands, shapes and sizes. I use Panpastel for my underpainting and combine it with my normal soft pastel sticks. I use my pastel pencils for my detail and texture work. In terms of brands, I will leave what brands I prefer in the description, as I can't pronounce some of the names. In terms of tools, you will need an art knife and sanding paper to sharpen your pastel pencils or sticks, Softt Tools to blend and paint with your Panpastels. You get these in quite a variety of shapes and sizes as well. A piece of paper on which you can do your blending. I'm still trying to find a better alternative, so if you have a better solution, you are more than welcome to comment. A piece of paper, I prefer a transparent paper on which you can press so that you don't smudge your drawing underneath. Fixative for the first layers, but I would suggest that you don't use these in the final drawing stage, as it tends to darken your drawing. Okay, so when you start drawing, I prefer working from dark to light in pastels. Secondly, I usually draw out my sketch before, but in this case I'm going to work a bit more freely. So to save a little bit of time, I already draw out my horizontal line, so I know where the transition point will be. Okay, I start off with a blending and testing out of my colors. It's a little bit like painting, but in pastels it is best to have the right color from the start, as your paper has a limit on the amount of layers it can take. So I do my underpainting first, and then I add the details on top. Secondly, it's better to work from top to bottom or area to area, as pastels can get very dirty and smudging quickly. But less talk and more drawing.